Socio-political commentator Chongtham Bijoy has appealed to the public to be cautious of involvement of powerful schemers and deep state in issues arising in the state. Addressing a press meet held today at his residence in Imphal, Chongtham Bijoy noted that several powerful and wealthy elements involved in deep state have been funding across the globe to buy lands and flourish those who have similar interests with them to fulfill their agenda and entirely alter the characteristics of the society. He went on to allege that India has been seemingly controlling and playing with Manipur till date, although democratic elections are being held and governments are being formed. He further expressed apprehension that a political party from Shillong with the hands of deep state is trying to control the state, while noting that the inflation and unemployment level has reached an alarming state in Manipur. The socio-political commentator emphasized the urgent need for general public to be aware of all these realities and determine themselves for the future of the state.
अखोई समाज में डेमोक्रेटिक नॉर्म जे चनर कांदा समाज की अपन बपांगन जे ख्वाइदगी कन दमने पृथ्वी लेबाक सिंजी एम्बियो डेमोक्रेसी चपन मपांगन कन बने डिक्टेटरशिप नत्रक निंथौ पानबन मपांगन कन दबने सी चेंजिंग टाइम ने अर मणिपुर ngasi बुरो पावर पारेबा पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिंजे मसागी पार्टी की प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन अमुक तक तौद्री लोकल लेवल दा मंडल की डिस्ट्रिक्ट की अदुगी अदा के इलेक्शन तौ मानहनगनी बा प्रेसिडेंट खलम दाई कांट्री असोमदगी लागा नंग हैन थिलम बने अदमाई तौदना हजिकी शिलोंगदा क्वार्टर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की जो अदुगी मोंग चथरीना मसिगी कल्चर जे अखोना फाइट तौदबी आदे करी मरमनिदा अइना सोमदा नंग प्रेसिडेंट ओइरो ने खलमगदी माजे मतम चपुदा अगोंदा लमन तोलनेबा अइना खलमनिना अइना सिंदोकसु ngam aduga lamjigi interest ki against the asomna tau haibdo tawda no haiba ngamoi adana manipur operate tawriba political party kudimok fully democratic ohenji hena samana madu oido party do ado kona reject tawse akhoi